Hey guys, thank you for stumbling onto my YouTube channel. It is January 1, 2019. It is morning, it's the new year, and I wanted to come out to the shop and kind of do it. This is my first vlog that this is a new channel for me. YouTube is a whole new thing for me, and I was up early this morning and I was watching some YouTube videos, and it just started making me think about baby boomers, technology, and I just kind of wanted to talk about some stuff. People in the baby boomer age. I'm 55 years old. Technology is an awesome thing that we take for granted. Sitting here, being able to sit here and film this on a phone and be able to download it so that millions of people can see this is just, we take it for granted. I remember, back in the day when I was in high school, if you ordered something, you filled out a order form, you wrote a check, you mailed it off, the check would have to clear, they would send your product, 2-3 weeks later, you got what you ordered. Now we go on the computer, we get on Amazon, and it's here in 2 days, and if you spend a little extra money, it can be here the next day. So technology is an awesome thing. And so I started thinking this morning, the phrase engage your brain. And it's something that I guess I've always done and never really knew that I was this way until the last few years is the fact that I'm an information addict. And I love to learn new things. And every year I kind of make like a New Year's resolution. Of course, the New Year's resolution to diet, lose weight, exercise, I do that every year. As you see, I don't stick to that one too good. I like food, I like cooking. But the engage your brain part, I guess that's why every year I want to learn something new, whether it be a craft, and I do a lot of different stuff. I've got a lot of different hobbies, but I always want to learn something. I try to learn something every day, and it's just habit. And I think a lot of people that are of my generation, they don't engage their brain anymore. They kind of get in a rut, and a lot of people retire early and they just don't do anything. They don't learn anything new. So this year, kind of my New Year's resolution is to help people engage their brain, whether they be young or old, just to kind of give them some ideas and some motivation of what's out there. So for me this year, and the reason I'm doing this vlog is that my new thing this year is going to be social media. My Instagram account, I've just started this YouTube account and shooting some videos because I want to pass on some of what I've learned in the last 55 years, or obviously my working career, 33 years working with young people at the university that I work at, and seeing how kids have changed and trying to teach them some stuff that's no longer taught. And YouTube is just such an awesome platform that I learn on all the time, that I'm wanting to give back and have people engage their brain, learn new stuff. So for me, all of this computer stuff and editing, it's not easy for me. All right, I'm one of these old guys, but I'm learning, and I really feel that those of us that are older need to really engage with technology. There's so much out there to learn, and there's so much that we give back as baby boomers to millennials and younger people. There's stuff that I do that I take for granted that I can do it in a second. You take a young person, it would be very difficult, and they don't understand the concept, versus a young person or a millennial will come and they can do computer stuff, they can edit and do everything on their phone and download in seconds, where it takes us older folks a long time and we just don't get it. So that's my thing this year, is to really learn technology a little bit better so that I can produce some videos on the stuff that I've learned over my lifetime that a lot of people perhaps have not been exposed to or have never thought about it. So, that's what I'm doing. So I'm sitting here reflecting on 2018 and everything that I've done. I've been very blessed in my years, and I've got 5 great children, a great wife, a great job that I love, and I've truly been blessed that I'm able to make and create stuff, and people enjoy it. So that's kind of, I just wanted to get on my soapbox today, being that it's a new year. It's a beautiful day here in Texas. The sun is shining, 45 degrees, and it's an awesome, beautiful day. And I just kind of woke up and wanted to just kind of get this off my chest and figure out what I'm going to do for 2019 and make 2019 just a great year for myself and maybe for other people. I don't know what's ahead of me on the whole YouTube and videos. I'm trying to make my videos better every day. I've ordered some new equipment. I'm learning a lot on audio and the lighting and everything else. So, stick with me. Subscribe to my channel. Let's see what I do. Maybe you can learn something. Subscribe, like, check out the stuff that I make. Go to EpteenKnives.com. Check out my Instagram, Richard Epteen. I post there a lot of stuff that I do. And, the name of my channel, Back to the Grind, is because that's what I do. I'm hustling. I'm grinding knives. That part of that, Back to the Grind is I'm in the room working on knives, and you're grinding it out. Same thing with leather work or anything else that I do. It's a daily grind that I get up every morning and I hit it and we go. So stick with me, and I'm real excited about doing some really cool videos. I apologize right now for poor quality, but it'll get better. So have a great 2019, and thank you for watching my channel.